complete automation system for electronic board testing, developed and engineered to combine precision, reliability, and flexibility. The cell integrates a FANUC CRX collaborative robot with a Siemens PLC controller. The robot automatically loads and unloads products from the ICT tester. Each product is identified and tracked using a barcode scanning system. A dedicated safety system ensures operator protection and system reliability. All devices communicate through a unified PLC platform for maximum efficiency. Modular design allows easy adaptation to new product variants and processes. The gripper is designed for quick changeover and multi-model compatibility. Each operation is optimized for repeatability, traceability, and cycle time. This integration demonstrates the future of intelligent production automation. Automatics, robotics, automation, integration,